Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to heal in Expedition 33. There are many ways to heal your expedition in the game. One of the earliest examples of this would be the Chroma Elixir when you're exploring around. This completely heals your entire team to full health. And the only way to replenish this would be to approach an expedition flag and take a rest. Speaking of resting on an expedition flag, this also heals your party as well. When in combat, you have the option to use items. The healing tints will heal your characters by a huge amount. Of course, this depending on how much you upgraded the healing tints. But do keep in mind that by using these items, you will end up using your turn as well. So timing is crucial when using this. Another example would be the party members themselves. For example, Lune, with healing ranging from only a singular member, reviving an ally with a predetermined amount of health, to healing in just about everyone. Ciel also has healing that depends solely on her mechanic of consuming 4 health. When it comes to healing in this game, the skills usually take a moderate amount of AP to use, making it essential that your characters need to have more AP than usual, so save up when you're in the middle of battle. And that's how to heal in Expedition 33.